If you're trying to open HP DeskJet printer app, and then after selecting the printer, you get this message saying select an app to open this .hta file. You could then choose an app on your PC, then go to your C drive, open Windows, go to System32 and find HTA, select it and then click on open and then click on always, and then you might get this message. Click on OK. Basically, it means that the app is now broken. Microsoft HTML application host on Windows 11 is not working anymore, which is required to support HP printer app. So the next step is to right click on start, select run, and then type appviz.cpl and then click on OK. This will then open uninstall or change a program. Select HP DeskJet from the app and then click on repair. As you can see, the Windows installer is unable to repair, saying the feature is on a network resource that's not available. So click on OK. Basically, Windows 11 has broken down the HP app. So close everything. So because the software is broken, we need to properly uninstall it. So go to Google and search Microsoft Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter. Then select this Microsoft link from the results and then click on Download Troubleshooter. Then you might get a message saying that it was blocked. So to unblock it, click on the three dots and then select Open Downloads page. And now in order to allow the download, click on Keep. Then click on Show in Folder. And then in your Downloads folder, double click on the troubleshooter to start it. Then click on Next. It will start detecting problems. So our problem is in uninstalling. So click on Uninstalling. Again, it will start detecting problems. And finally, it will give you the list of all programs. Select HP DeskJet and then click on Next. Then it will give you two options. Select Yes, try uninstall. And then again, after some time, you will get a message saying troubleshooting has completed, problems found, and it's fixed. Once again, if you open Run and go to appviz.cpl and check your app, you could see HP DeskJet is not there anymore. So it means it has been successfully uninstalled. Save and close everything on your computer and then restart your computer. Restarting helps to clean any leftovers, and after the restart is completed, click on Start, select Microsoft Store, search for HP Smart and then select HP Smart from the results. Click on Install, click on Open. You can decline optional data. You can skip for now and then click on Add Printer, select your printer, and here you could see the printer is connected. And then when you want to scan, you will need to unfortunately create an account or sign in to be able to use HP Smart app for scanning and many other things. However, this is an alternative to HP DeskJet. I hope this video helped you to fix your printer. If it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.